Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 8th September 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note around 24,820 zone, but faced profit booking in the first half of the session, dragging the index down to test 24,650, where it did take support near its 100 daily exponential moving average. However, in the latter part of the day, bulls regained control and triggered a recovery from the lower levels, highlighting the ongoing buy-on-dip setup. On the daily chart, the index formed a bearish candle with a long lower shadow indicating strong support-based buying and dominance of bulls at the lower levels. On the weekly scale, Nifty has formed an inside bar pattern reflecting consolidation within a broader range. India VIX was down by around 0.7% to 10.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.86. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while an immediate range could be in between 24,500 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,327 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,773 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 7.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,700 for the next up move towards 25,000, and support can be seen at 24,500 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,000 for the next up move towards 54,750. while support can be seen at 53,500 marks. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Ashok Leyland, Glenmark, Voltas, Biocon, Nalco, Nykaa and AB Capital, while some weakness could be seen in Prestige Estate, Persistent System, PI Industry, Godrej Property and ITC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.